Okay, so I'm going to take a quick look at beginning the editing process in Final Cut Pro 10, which is over here. Now we're using Final Cut Pro 10 instead of, and not Avid or one of the earlier versions of Final Cut 7, and there's a reason for that, and it's primarily to do with the fact that because this is a small operation, so 1 or 2 people, just me editing, Final Cut's actually quite good for 10 is actually quite good for delivering to the web. There's a lot of people saying it's not very useful because it doesn't offer a bunch of broadcast standard features, but a lot of them are features that we don't need or want on this particular production. So here we have it here, and this event contains all the footage we shot. You can see down here. These are all clips from shooting our mundane reaction sketches, which is what we're going to be editing. And over here, there's the timeline I'll be using. This is the clip that has the good takes in it. That's a good take in it. So we're going to find where this begins. The take starts here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is drag the grab handle to here, and it ends. You can see a hand pop up, and we want it to end just after that, because at that point I start laughing. Now this is taking up a lot of CPU cycles because I'm also recording this, so we're dropping frames. So there's the hand, and now it's gone. Okay, so that's our clip, this first one, and we're going to go ahead and drag that in the timeline. So there we have our first clip. Go to the beginning, and then we hit play. Now you're noticing some problems with the video, it's flashing purple here. This is the CPU issue. And there you have this one a very quick one to do. The other ones will be slightly more complicated. For example, this sketch here will have a lot of, it has multiple camera angles, so there'll be a lot more editing in that. But I don't want to be doing particularly complicated editing whilst I'm doing stream recording, so it's a simple one here. What I'll probably do now is make sure that I'm happy with the start and ends on this. Add in some effects, for example, I fade it out black, and I'm also going to put the Professionally Stupid splash screen up, so you'll see something that looks like something that had this in it. It might end up being that I use white on black rather than black on white, which this is, but you'll see this, and then that will be the end. So let's look at some of the, just a brief look at our editing process, and there's a sketch. Unfortunately, that video problem with the rendering is made it unwatchable, but you'll be able to see it on YouTube, on the website as well.